Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to sign into your Rumble account on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Rumble. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now let's go to Rumble. Enter that in your search engine. Click on rumble.com. Now go to the top right corner of the screen. Click on sign in. If you have a Rumble account, please enter your credentials. We have this saved into the keychain. Yes, now sign in. Hopefully we should get a pop-up on screen that says add to LastPass. Yes, we do. That's now added to LastPass. There we go. So that's how you sign into your account. On Rumble, we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.